Kamusta mga kaibigan? Welcome to Josh Friends, where faith meets friendship and inspiration is just a conversation away. This is Reverend Migs Ramirez, and today we are joined by a special guest who's ready to share some words of wisdom from your favorite books and songs from Jesuit Communications. This might just be exactly what you need to hear. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into another episode of heartwarming stories and uplifting messages. Are you ready? Let's go!
Alam nyo, bilang isang 90s kid at certified Jelena Marvin fan, laging nasa isip ko ang mga love songs at teleserye na tumatak sa puso nating lahat. Pero sa journey ko bilang Jesuit priest, particularly sa Philippine Jesuit Prison Service, I've witnessed an even deeper kind of love. Yung walang kondisyon, yung nagpapatawad at yung nagbibigay ng pangalawang pagkakataon. And speaking of love, perfect timing na pag-usapan natin ang isang special piece na malapit sa puso ko, ang Psalm 31, Rock of Refuge, mula sa album ng Only in God. I composed this song noong brother pa lang ako. At ang interesting nga kasi ng theme nito ay about taking refuge in God's love. Let me share with you these lines. In you, O Lord, I take my refuge. Let me never be put to shame. In your justice, you set me free. Hear me, Lord, and save me. Grabe, no? Sa ministry ko sa PJPS, nakikita ko kung paano ang lyrics na ito ay nagbibigay ng buhay sa mga kwento ng ating mga PDLs, persons deprived of liberty. May isang PDL nga na nagsabi sa akin, Father, dito sa loob, ang Diyos lang ang hindi bumibitaw sa akin. Nakakaantig ng puso how they find God's love even in their darkest moments. Kaya nga sa response ng kanta, Be my rock of refuge for me. Be a mighty stronghold to save me, for you are my rock, you are my strength. Hindi ba perfect ang timing? Here we are celebrating the month of love, pero beyond romantic love, we are reminded of a love that's constant, unchanging, just like what the Psalm tells us. You know what's amazing? Kapag nasa loob ka ng bilangguan, you will witness how love transforms people. Parang yung response ng kanta, God becomes their rock, their refuge. At bilang priest serving in prison ministry, I've seen how this divine love helps them find hope and redemption. Kaya kung feeling ninyo you need this reminder of God's unchanging love, or maybe you're looking for that perfect way to express your faith through music, I invite you to get the music sheet ng Psalm 31, Rock of Refuge, sa ating newly rebranded Jescom exclusives. Visit jescom.ph/Josh. Ang good news, we have a month-long sale this February, considering it as God's way of showing His love through these special deals. Remember, just like what we sing in the Psalm, For your name, lead me and guide me. Sometimes love means allowing ourselves to be led to where God wants us to be. As a ministry, dito sa PJPS, I've learned that God's love can reach us kahit nasaan man tayo. Maraming salamat for joining us for another episode of Josh Friends. Don't forget to visit jescom.ph/Josh, your destination for faith-inspired materials, now known as Jescom Exclusives. Take advantage of a month-long February sale to get your own copy of the music sheet and other materials that can deepen your relationship with God.
Maraming salamat, kaibigan. That wraps up another episode of Josh Friends. I hope today's reading touched your heart and gave you something to reflect on. Remember, you can find the full text of what we shared today, along with many other inspirational resources, at the JustCom online shop. Until next time, this is Reverend Migs Ramirez reminding you that you are never alone on your journey of faith. Paalam at ingat mga kaibigan!